Somebody's been down the river, as we can see by the footprints. I think all three of these guys have. Good job, guys.
Come on.
Oh, it's a puppy. Good boy. Good boy. I wonder why he wouldn't let him socialize. It's a pup. Be good for him. Good job, guys. So we are almost at the other end of the park, which is the Victoria Trail. It's kind of like the Belmont area. I think Valley Viewpoint is here. I think that's like a senior's home. Good boy, Jasper. And yes, I have three pretty active dogs. They've been basically running in and out of the bushes. Max is so funny. Yeah, and just kind of doing their own thing, and just checking in with me every now and then. So, Max, I am not throwing that ginormous stick, bud. Come on, Max. Come. Good boy. Aw, I wonder what it is about fetch. I guess it just drives up their dopamine. Hey, Max, and makes you feel awesome. Good boy, Herchel. Herchel has stopped trying to harass Jasper and trying to hump him. They were playing actually earlier. I was trying to record it, but I was too slow. And then Max kept wanting to join in, and Jasper gets mad because Max is too big. Come on, Max. Max is confused. He's like, why aren't you throwing the stick for me? Because, Max, I'm going to get slivers and it's ginormous. Yeah, see, there goes Chewy. And then in about 5 minutes or so, he checks back. Luna does the same. It's kind of cool. Kind of cool how that, yeah, like they'll be somewheres and then they'll be sprinting from behind me and past me. Good boy, Max. And it is another lovely afternoon. Guess we're gonna work one end to the other and then back, and then we're gonna take another trail as well. Because all the dogs today, they can stand a long walk, so we're gonna spend as much time here as possible before the sun goes down. Good boy, Max. Aw, Max, don't take me out with that stick. Every now and then they'll walk past a person and they'll just like swipe them with the stick. Hey, Max, you're so funny. Good boy, Herchel. Good boy, Jasper.